Hey, Mr. G here, and today we're going to go over the fifth string notes. This is very important to have a clear understanding of what your notes are on your fifth string of your guitar when you're playing 5-string bar chords. So it's very important to know, and I have a lot of videos on bar chords, so I think this video is going to help you out. And again, remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, I'm going to start on the fifth string, just playing an open note. That open note is an A. Now, on the fifth string, on the first fret, that is a B flat. On the fifth string, on the second fret, that is a B. On the fifth string on the third fret, that's a C. On the fifth string on the fourth fret, that's a C sharp or D flat. On the fifth string on the fifth fret, that's a D. On the fifth string on the sixth fret, that's a D sharp or E flat. On the fifth string on the seventh fret, that's an E. On the fifth string on the eighth fret, that is an F. On the fifth string on the ninth fret, that's an F sharp or G flat. On the fifth string on the 10th fret, that is a G. On the fifth string on the 11th fret, that is a G sharp or A flat. On the fifth string at the 12th fret, that is an A. Now that's the main ones for the video I wanted you to memorize and get comfortable with to make bar chords up to the 12th fret. But that being said, it's very simple to memorize the frets going forward from there, because it's like starting back at your first fret. For example, when I get to that 12th fret and play that A, it's almost like playing that open A, right? So when I go to that 13th fret, it's like starting over on the fretboard on fret 1. That 13th fret is a B flat, just like that first fret is a B flat. That 14th fret is a B, just like that second fret is a B. And that 15th fret is a C, just like that third fret is a C. So you can see what's going on. I kind of, as I go up from that 13th fret up, it's almost like starting back at fret 1 and going up. And the notes are the same. So once you memorize those notes going up to the 12th fret, it's a lot easier to memorize those notes going from the 13th fret up. So this is important. Take time out in your practicing to get real familiar with these notes and comfortable with them, because it's going to really help out when you're playing your 5-string bar chords. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and check out my other bar chord videos, because this is going to be really helpful in that scenario. And remember, don't forget to subscribe and like, and keep on jamming.